Hi, I'm Liberty from Before and Afters with another paint
So
project.
I had an idea to paint this Easter basket an ombre purple and white with Black Dog Salvage Furniture paint. So they sent me a can of their purple named That's Gonna Leave a Mark. I stirred it up, and before I paint on the basket, I'm going to practice on the bottom. So I have a cup of water to dip my brush into, and hopefully this works out. So start like this. And see how it's going to turn out. It's very much an Easter color. I think if I had a little bit of blue, I would darken it some. I might try that with my green. I'm really tempted to because I do have green. It's called Keep It Teal. Alright, so there's some purple. Let's try some white. Practicing is always a good idea. You don't know how it's going to turn out because you've never tried it before. So unless somebody picks this up and looks underneath, they're not going to see my practice. So dip it in water here and see if I can blend it. Ooh, it is blending. That does make a nice ombre effect, doesn't it? Isn't that nice? So I mixed a tiny bit of Keep It Teal with the purple That's Gonna Leave a Mark. And it's kind of like a denim blue. Or it's almost a grape color. I don't have blue to mix in with my purple, but I might try adding some more purple and see what this will do. I also don't have red. I think I'm going to need to get some more colors. Okay, so I practiced a little bit with adding some Keep It Teal to That's Gonna Leave a Mark. And on the left here, I thinned it out with some water. So it looks like I do have some options of changing this color, even though I don't have blue. Here goes, painting this basket. Let's see how it turns out. Before you start painting, be sure to prepare your surface with some paper. You can use newspaper or packing paper like I did. And I had a plastic vinyl tablecloth underneath my paper, so I didn't have to worry about paint or water. If you're wondering how long it takes to paint an ombre Easter basket, it really didn't take me very long. Around 20 to 30 minutes, I would say. And this is a pretty large basket, so you could paint a smaller basket a lot quicker. This is a great way to use up leftover paint from another project. Painting this basket ended up being a lot easier and a lot more fun than I expected. I also was thrilled with the results. So, better results, easier, more fun, It was just all around a great project. I do have this chart that helped me try to decide how to blend my colors. So that was helpful. You can find that on their website. So then I decided to take my own advice and practice with the green on the bottom of the basket to blend it in and see how it would work with the purple. And I am so glad that I did that. It seemed like a risk, but it really wasn't because it was on the bottom of the basket. So as you can see, the method that I used to paint this ombre Easter basket was to first paint my solid colors in bands around the basket. So first I painted white around the top, then purple around the middle, and keep it teal green around the bottom. I decided to do the same thing with my handle, but you would not have to do that. You could just keep your handle one solid color. After I was satisfied with my solid colors, then I dipped my paintbrush in water, and starting with the lightest color, the white and the purple, I began to blend it in, and the water just worked perfectly to blend those two colors together. Then I rinsed my paintbrush and again with water blended my darker colors, the purple and the green, to make a dark purple. How much did this Easter basket paint project cost me? Well, it did not cost me a single penny because my paint was free, my basket was free, and I already had the brushes. If you need to buy your paint, you can buy craft paint in 3 colors for probably around $5. You can get a basket at a thrift store, and you might have to buy a brush or two. So I would say under $10 you could have a really nice custom painted Easter basket, or it doesn't have to be for Easter. It could be for anything. I really hope you have enjoyed seeing how to paint an ombre Easter basket, and I hope that I have inspired you for your next paint project. After the paint dried, I sealed it with Black Dog Salvage satin clear coat called Show Dog. While I would love to receive an Easter basket full of paint, I know that other people would prefer the traditional style. So here it is for you. I will link to this Easter Peeps house in the description below, as well as another link showing more about these plush peeps. I will also give you a coupon code for 20% off in case you'd like to try this paint. Happy Easter!